Hey guys, welcome back to Kylie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to prepare the most delicious extra crispy fried chicken. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kylie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's KylieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Kylie J's Kitchen. So here I have my chicken and it's already cleaned and washed. So I'm just gonna go in and season my chicken, and I'm gonna add some all-purpose seasoning, some black pepper and some paprika. If you guys have extra seasoning at home that you want to add, you can always go ahead and do so. Guys, remember to be creative, remember to be you in the kitchen and utilize whatever you have. All of these ingredients that I'm using, you can always get them at your local supermarket or grocery store. All right, so once I added all of the seasoning, I'm gonna go in and I'm just gonna use my hand to just rub in all of that seasoning because we want our chicken to be well seasoned. And once it's finished seasoning, I'm gonna cover it, put it in the fridge for roughly about an hour to an hour and a half before I start frying my chicken. All right, I already have some flour that I season with my all-purpose seasoning, some paprika and black pepper already, so that is what we're going to use. All right, and you don't have to use any expensive flour. You can always go ahead and use counter flour. Again, you can get that at your local supermarket or grocery store. All right, just check the aisle and you will see. All right, and you guys doesn't necessarily have to use the same all-purpose seasoning and all of that I use. You can always use whichever brand you have at home or whichever brand you can afford. All right, so this is the flour mixture, and as you can see, I place it in a bag. So what I'm doing now, basically just combining everything together, the seasoning and the flour, because you want everything to be evenly distributed. All right, also I place my frying pot on the stove with some vegetable oil that I'm gonna fry my chicken in. So once I'm finished coating my chicken in the flour, then we're gonna go over to the stove and we're gonna fry. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and just place my chicken in the flour, and of course I'm gonna combine everything together because we want the chicken to be coated properly. All right, but any excess flour on your chicken, you can always go ahead and dust that off before you place it in the oil. Guys, please don't throw away the seasoning from the chicken because we're going to use that to make some gravy for our fried chicken. All right, all you need to add to that is some ketchup and a little bit of brown sugar and a little bit of water and boil it until it's thick. All right, and then you have some delicious chicken gravy. So now it's time to go ahead and fry my chicken. So once my chicken is nicely coated in the flour, I'm just gonna go ahead and place it in the oil. Be sure to turn your stove on medium. If you turn it up too much, then it's going to, your chicken might fry on the outside, but it doesn't fry on the inside. All right, so we want our chicken to be golden brown, and also want it to soak properly. All right, so basically this took me about 17 minutes roughly. So we're just going to flip them over on the other side and allow the other side to fry as well. Again, you always want to ensure that your chicken is fried properly. All right, so just take your time, no rush, and remember to turn on your stove on medium heat. Don't turn it up on high or your chicken going to fry on the outside but the inside is still raw. All right, and you can always go ahead and have this with some bammies, with some rice and peas, or whatever you have at home. All right, so you see my chicken color coming along quite fine. So now that my chicken is all ready, I'm just gonna go ahead and place this on a napkin because again we want the excess oil to drain. And then I'm gonna serve this up with some steamed cabbage and some fried bami with my chicken gravy and show you guys the final product. Alright guys, so this is the final product of my crispy fried chicken. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye!